We're filming a volcanic eruption at Litlihrutur mountain, Iceland, and I'm going down Litlihrutur now. I will find a better location where there is slightly less wind because it's quite windy on the top, and see this magnificent fog that we have. Fog and smoke. It's hard to figure out where is smoke and where is fog. But I see the rescue team's car is driving here. Perhaps they want to tell people to leave the area, I don't know, because of this fog or smoke, I don't know. But it's just very close to the ground, you know, like in the valleys. There's no fog here on the top of the mountain where I am. But as I told, it's very common in Iceland to have fog at midnight, but it looks like this fog is only here, like around the volcano area. Yeah, somewhat further, but I don't see it other places, so it's might be mixed with smoke. I don't know, but I need to go home. I will need to walk through this thing home, and I have muscles. We'll see. Oh, I might stay longer. We'll see. I don't know. But this is how volcano looks today. It's overspewing with lava. And lava is going mainly to the east of volcano. South, east and east. There are many countless spillovers. You'll see it from a drone video of mine. And, it might be police. They drive those quadricycles. Maybe they came here to be on guard. I don't know. Góðan daginn. Is this gas or smoke or fog? Do you know?
I don't know, but maybe it's fog, I don't know.
Fog. This is very neat location here. Well, I love this location here next to those rocks because they shelter you from the winds and provide nice viewing angle. It's like we are in the other world. Really, it's so surrealistic atmosphere here, especially at night, polar nights in Iceland when you don't really have a night, you know. It gets a bit darker, but not much more than this. You know, and 3 o'clock it starts to get bright. So here will be my shelter next to those cliffs. We are on Earth. This is Earth. This is not Venus or Moon or some other worldish place. It's Iceland. The other planet called Iceland. Some call me mountain goat. I'm truly mountain goat here. My father was a mountain climber actually. It was his passion, climbing mountains, so maybe I'm like my father, you know, inherited from him hiking passion. There's some couple there having intimate moments. It's a bit dangerous here in those places, but no wind whatsoever. It's kind of nice. Okay, I'll sit down here and make some nice videos. Okay, that is palagonite. You know, it's also basalt, glass basalt, weathered by the weather through centuries. Police is coming up the mountain here, the guys. Maybe they want to say to leave. I don't know. All the best to you.